Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Fall season is the peak pumpkin season, and today we are making carbonada, a delicious Argentinian dish that traditionally is served in a pumpkin. So you have one more reason to go take advantage of those beautiful pumpkins. Argentina is a beautiful country and we have great memories from there. One of the most delicious dishes that we tried there is a carbonada criolla. And as I mentioned before, traditional carbonada criolla is served in a pumpkin. Today, we are using a big pumpkin, but feel free to use small ones if that's your preference. Now we grab a spoon and take all these seeds out. Now when the pumpkin is clean, we spread a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and we roast the pumpkin in a preheated oven until it's cooked, but not too soft, because remember, it has to hold its shape because it's gonna be our container. Olive oil, salt, and a little bit of cayenne. We cover everything on the inside with this rub of olive oil and salt, pepper, and then what is left here, I use it on here. Now we prepare the carbonara and can't be easier. We start with a chunk of meat. Traditional carbonara is made with beef, but you can use lamb if you prefer chicken, cut it in little pieces, and we are gonna cook it in a pot. Now when we brown the meat, we start adding the rest of the ingredients, the rest of the vegetables. Now you can also add serrano peppers if you like a little extra hit there. This is the perfect time to add other things like wine or other kind of seasons if you prefer, and let it simmer until cooked. And there you go! It was so easy to make this delicious Argentinian dish that I'm sure everybody in your house is gonna like, and also to see this beautiful dish that you prepare for them. So you can take advantage of those beautiful pumpkins that you can find everywhere during tea season. And thank you guys for being one more time with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this dish and found some value in it, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.